Enjoy your trip to the beach or park instantly, affordably. The original Pole Caddy center post beach umbrella table easily screws onto your umbrella pole and will not tip. It holds 4 cups as well as your wallet, keys, glasses, in the 4 drink holders and 4 built-in compartments. Stop worrying about losing keys in the sand. Made of lightweight, sturdy polypropylene, the Pole Caddy keeps your cups from spilling and everything else out of the sand. See website for available styles and colors. To install, simply slide onto your umbrella pole or even one of the 4 pop-up umbrella legs to the height desired, then crank the screw on the coupler till it is tight. Smart products, lightweight, easy to afford and to set up. So stop being hot and sandy and start relaxing in comfort with a new umbrella. Easily the best quality shade products on the internet.